What's up, Red Team? Larry here. Welcome back to Red 6 Mustang. And in today's episode of the show, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into an install.
I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
All right, guys, so the first of two installs that we're gonna be doing this week, I'm just gonna get right into it. I got those tail lights that everybody hates. It's like the supercar style circular tail lights. Let me just pull them out. Ooh. And since I just moved, I had to buy this little tool set to help me with all my installs. Ooh. Alright, so I decided to go with these taillights only because pretty much everybody has the OG regular taillights, and I wanted to stand out a little bit more, you know, be a little different. I do like the design. I know it's not traditional Mustang, you know, I know it's not the classic look, but it's going on, damn it, let's do it. Alright, so first we take out the little trunk liner. This is right where it latches, so you know what piece I'm talking about. There's just 4 little bolts. Plastic bolts that you just take out. It's real easy. And then take out the old tail light. All right, after about 10 minutes of screwing 4 bolts, we got 1 tail light out, and this is the sweat result. It's a little hot out here though, but we're making progress. So now we're gonna do test number 1 really quick. Just wanna, oh, look at that. Oh. I love it. Seeing it in person, I really love it. Let me get the other one in so I can actually do it justice. This is what happens when you do your own work in California, I guess, huh? So both lights are in, and I already hooked up the harness, so if I turn it on, let's see, make sure I'll do it real quick. Here's another test. Looks good. All right, let me, I gotta put the liner back in, and then I gotta put the little plastic bolts in, and then we're actually done. And these, I'm gonna keep these because obviously, you know, I really love the classic look. I wanna keep it. I'm not gonna sell it, even though I could get some money for these. I'm gonna keep them just in case I ever wanna go back, maybe for a car show or something like that. But for now, we're rocking the Super GT style or whatever it's called. Here we go. Ooh. Plus with the color from far away, damn. I actually really like it, man. I really like it. Ooh. So these are the Morimoto lights, not the Raxium ones. They're more or less the same. I don't know what the real difference is between the company that made them, but Lord have mercy. I'm ready to go take this thing for a drive. I gotta get it washed anyway. We got some plans tomorrow. All right, guys, so overall I have to say I really love the taillights. It's a super easy install, and I'm gonna keep the OG taillights because as I see fit, I can go back and forth for whichever design that I feel like I wanna roll with at that time. But it was a great install. Maybe took an hour. Like, I struggled with a couple of parts because I didn't have anything good to help pry off the plastic stuff. But honestly, if you have a 10mm deep socket and a socket wrench, you should be good. I mean, it's a quick, simple super swap. So I'm already excited, I'm hyped. Thank you for being a part of this, but there's another mod that's gonna show up at my desk Monday at work, so I'm gonna get that, and then I'm gonna do a video for that one too. My rear end, my car's rear end is gonna look nice, just give it another day, and I'm super excited, you know, how all that goes. You guys probably already know what it is since I said it's rear end involved, and I already done the taillights, the exhaust is already done. What else could it be? I'd hate to spoil it. See you guys next time.